All right, guys, we got a 2013 Dodge Durango HEMI V8 right there. What we got done on it for you guys? Factory converter, there, for them EPA boys. Then we did a mid-muffler delete earlier in the year, about 8 months ago. Still holding up pretty good. Then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. We did a rear resonator delete there and right there. There's the 2 resonators we cut off right there and put massive 6-inch tips. Give it that really nice deepness and that look that nobody else will have. You guys like it? I hope you guys do. I'll try to get you guys a link to something similar on the tips in the description because we get them specially made for us. Anyways, there they are. 6-inch tips rolled. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2022 392 SRT Durango. It's only got 1,200 miles on it, guys. It's crazy. Brought it from the dealer, brought it to us. Factory converters, like usual. What we did on this is straight piped it all the way back. He's getting it for Christmas for his son, so we hooked him up. As you guys can see, so we took the mid-muffler out, right there, the kidney bean, took it out, straight piped it, deleted the rear resonators on each side, there and there, and put some signature 5-inch rolled tips by 18. Exhaust Addict's Touch, right there. There's the mid that was on it, and there's the rears that were on it. Cut them off and replaced them. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. 2021 Dodge Durango. Hellcat. One of my favorites. Anything Hellcat is my favorite. Anyways, until you get to the demons, then they're really my favorite. Anyways, here we go, guys. Factory converters. We did a full straight pipe on it. Mid delete. I don't know if this is an X pipe or not. Some of them are, some of them aren't. I can't tell. I can't see inside. Then rear delete. And finished it off nicely with some 5-inch angle cut, double walled stainless steel blue flame tips for your viewing pleasure. Look at that. Here we go. Much better. There's the mids that were on it, or the rears. There's the mid. We took it all off to make it scream. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Much better. See what I'm talking about? The throatiness. You guys should see his face. He lit it. Man, that sounds so good. The 5 and 6 those 5 and 6-inch tips make a huge difference in sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. 118. Yeah. There's the 2 resonators we cut off right there. That sounds mean, bro. It's just like chest. Resonators that we cut off, guys. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, that's better. Let you guys hear on the inside. Always puts a smile on everybody's face. See, we got a crowd and they're all smiling, they're all happy. Never fails. Much better. Your sound decibels go. 120. See if you can hear me. Wow. I think we made enough sound. He likes it. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, Again, we are in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop, right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You gotta admit, that looks really good on it. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love that color combo too. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Durango HEMI V8 straight pipe with 6-inch tips. Yeah, man. HEMI. Dodge Durango SRT. Fully straight pipe. 2022. Here we go, Durango, Hellcat. You see the cat? You ready? They're gonna send it and put 1,000 horsepower coming out of this thing soon. Enjoy it, my friend. Thank you for coming down. He's gonna set up. Here we go. That was sick. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode. 2003 Dodge Dakota. Only got 60,000 miles. It's the V8. We just did a turn down right after the cats. Give it gas. You guys can hear it. Get over here again. Perfect. Go ahead and take off. Here we go. He just wanted it loud for his son, so he said, "We got you." Perfect. Enjoy, guys.